got it. Are we caught on that branch? Come on.
Wow.
Well,
Pretty stubborn.
there we go.
Hey. Come on, Mark.
Here we go.
Ah!
Once it starts coming, you guys better run so we don't sample. Oh, oh.
Uh-oh, it better not kill it.
Let me cut it the rest of the way. That'll probably be enough for it to go.
Looks like it's going to go over there.
And it'll probably rotate off.
I know, but what if it kills that other
It's
tree?
not gonna kill it. If it's gonna kill it, it's by the trees anyway.
Ah! Oh, did you get it, Bill? Oh, I got it. Oh, awesome.
Oh, you get that?